Hey guys, so today I am back with another build that really just got me started on woodworking. So I will be building two sets of planter pots. One set will be out of recycled pallet wood from these pallets, and the second one will be out of this piece of wood that I bought in a local sawmill. They are used mostly in roof construction, and they are pretty cheap, so that's perfect for planter pots. Yeah, so I want to start by disassembling these pallets and denailing them, and we'll see what we can come up with. So let's go do it. Okay, so I am done tearing these things apart, and I now remember why I hate doing this. It's a pain in the butt, but anyway, that's done. What's left is taking these small nails out, and that should be much easier. So yeah, let's go do it. Okay, so I'm done with the nails, and this is how much wood we've got. So we've got some boards to work with, and what I want to do now is kind of sort through it to see which ones I want to use for which planter. Then cut it to kind of a rough size, and run it on the jointer to kind of clean it up. So that's the plan for now. I'm not sure how long it took denailing this, but I'll calculate that kind of off screen, and I'll show you somewhere on the screen. Also, this is how much waste we've got. So it's for how many pallets this was. I don't think it's all that much. Yeah, so let's get to sorting and continue with this. Okay, so I kind of messed up the knives on the jointer. I didn't notice the screw in one of the boards and I ran it over. So this is what the blades look like. This one is pretty messed up. Not sure if it can be salvaged. And the other one is, let me rotate that. The other one doesn't look too bad, so it will probably be fine, but what I am going to do for now is set up some kind of a spacer, just so I can offset it and keep running, and later on I will probably change it to another set of the knives. So that's kind of unfortunate, but things like that do happen, and yeah, just a part of it. Okay, so now to setting up the spacer, and let's keep going. Okay, so I've got all the wood that I'm gonna need cleaned up, and the next steps are cut all the stuff to its final size, then break the edges on every single piece and paint it. So that's the plan, and let's go do it. So I have all this stuff painted, and now I just need to assemble it all. Okay, so the planter pots are done, and this is how they turned out. In my opinion, they turned out pretty good. Certainly not the best, but also not the worst. Yeah, it was a cool little project to come back to how I started on woodworking. This was actually my first woodworking project, and this is how I got hooked on it. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, I kind of wonder which ones do you guys prefer, the pallet wood ones or the other ones? You can comment down below which ones do you like better. And that's it. You can consider subscribing. I have some pretty cool projects coming up pretty soon. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one. Recycled pallet wood. And yeah, got me started on woodworking. So yeah, so I thought I'll fuck. This is how much weight waste fuck. Okay, so I've got all the wood I'm gonna need cleaned up, and the next steps are cut every single piece to fuck. Okay, so the planter pots are done, and this is how